Who can use Facebook Marketplace? Welcome back to our channel, everyone. If you're looking to buy or sell items locally, Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic platform to consider. But who exactly can use Facebook Marketplace? Whether you're an individual looking to declutter your home, a small business owner, or just curious about the platform, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know about who can use Facebook Marketplace. Let's dive in. Introduction to Facebook Marketplace. First, let's get a quick overview of what Facebook Marketplace is. Launched in 2016, Facebook Marketplace is a convenient destination for people to discover, buy, and sell items. It's integrated directly into the Facebook app and website, making it easy to use for the platform's billions of users worldwide. Whether you're looking to sell used furniture, buy a car, or find local deals, Facebook Marketplace has something for everyone. Who can use Facebook Marketplace? Now, let's answer the big question. Who can use Facebook Marketplace? According to Facebook, here are the primary requirements and restrictions for using the platform. 1. Individual users. Firstly, individual users. If you have a personal Facebook account, you can use Facebook Marketplace. This includes anyone over the age of 18. It's perfect for individuals looking to sell items locally or find great deals in their area. 2. Location restrictions. Another important factor is location. Facebook Marketplace is available in many countries, but not all. You need to be in a supported location to access and use the platform. To check if Facebook Marketplace is available in your country, you can visit the link in the description below. 3. Age restrictions. As mentioned earlier, you must be at least 18 years old to use Facebook Marketplace. This ensures that transactions are conducted responsibly and safely. Facebook has strict policies to protect users, so make sure to verify your age and comply with all guidelines. 4. Compliance with Facebook's policies. Lastly, compliance with Facebook's policies is crucial. Facebook has a set of commerce policies that you must adhere to when buying or selling on the marketplace. These policies cover prohibited items, transaction guidelines, and more. Violating these policies can result in your listings being removed or even your account being restricted. Always review the policies before listing items to avoid any issues. That's all for today's video. We hope this guide has helped you understand who can use Facebook Marketplace and how to get started. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more detailed information on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching, and happy buying and selling.